Hello! Let's talk about some water. And not that boring real life stuff, but rather Minecraft water. Have you ever really thought about it? What am I saying? Of course you have. Why else would you have clicked on this video? What I mean is the physics of water. How does it behave? Is it like real life? I mean, nothing seems out of the ordinary so far. It looks like water. It flows like water. If you get enough of it, it's going to form rivers, lakes, and oceans. When you place it on the ground, it spreads out. It will break your fall from extreme heights. It will flow downhill if placed near an edge. It will even flow uphill. Regardless, it begs the question, just how similar is Minecraft water to real water? Can we apply actual engineering principles to determine its behavior as if it were real? The answer is yes. Well, sort of. This is how we are going to find out just how real our Minecraft water is. This abomination is the Navier-Stokes equation for incompressible flows. It looks daunting and it's very complex, but please don't worry. I'm not going to bore you with the details, but this describes how fluids behave. And according to this equation, Minecraft water breaks every rule ever. Each part of this equation represents something physical. These terms on the left describe inertia, basically states how a fluid's velocity and momentum keep it going. This term is pressure and how it's changing. This term represents how momentum diffuses through the fluid and is dependent on the viscosity. Think of this like how honey is different from oil, which is different from water. This is very important and we're going to be coming back to this later, so keep this in mind. And this term is external forces, like gravity, and this one happens to be the reason why our water does not flow uphill in Minecraft. But in Minecraft, there is no momentum, no inertia, no pressure, and no velocity. So most of this equation is basically completely useless. And yet, water is still going to spread and behave accordingly. So if Minecraft water isn't following fluid mechanics, what is controlling the flow? The answer is surprisingly simple: diffusion. Here's the equation. All it says is how the water level changes over time. We only care about this term here as it controls how aggressively the water spreads. In diffusion, the distance something spread goes like this. We rearrange and boom, exactly what we are looking for. In Minecraft, water spreads 1 block per game tick. 1 block is 1 meter, 1 tick is 0.05 seconds. Plugging in, d becomes approximately 20 meters squared per second. Now technically, this isn't real viscosity, but in fluid mechanics, viscosity is just a diffusion coefficient for momentum. So this is our effective viscosity. For comparison, this is the viscosity of water in real life. That means Minecraft water is roughly 20 million times more viscous than real water and 80 times thicker than peanut butter. I think this may explain why it doesn't splash or swirl and why we can fall hundreds of meters into it without a scratch. Overall, we can conclude that Minecraft water is closer to peanut butter than it is real water. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and if you have an idea you'd like to see overly analyzed using engineering fundamentals, please leave a comment. Bye bye.